Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get 50 free thank you cards in Heartopia. So if you are trying to collect the cute furniture from the new Sanrio Rainbow Cottage event, you will normally need a thank you cards like this, which are usually obtained by spending premium currency like this. But don't worry, there's actually a free way to get them. First, you just need to open the exchange store like this and then just scroll down until you find this thank you card. And in here you can exchange 3 wishing stars that you have for 1 thank you card. So make sure you have enough wishing star. But just keep in mind that there's a limit. You can only exchange up to 50 thank you cards, so make sure to use them wisely. Like in here, I already reached the limit, so I can't exchange my wishing star anymore on here. So just simply choose the amount that you want on here and just purchase it, and just like that you will instantly receive up to 50 free thank you cards. And after that you can just use it to buy or to purchase your favorite rainbow cottage furniture on here. And okay, that's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.